Energy is a primary input for almost all activities and is therefore vital for improvement in quality of life. There is a lot of kinds of energy all over the world, but we use polluted ones, as petroleum, gas, and carbon energies.
All this affects negatively both on humanity and Earth. It's why many diseases appear, the death rate is rising, and of course the ecosystem is dysfunctional, which influenced the biodiversity.
So now, all countries are thinking about using another sources of energy, which are non-polluted. The most ones are sun energy, wind and water energy. These energies can be used in a lot of fields as producing electricity.
Hi everyone, we wish that you are fine. Welcome to our second English project which has as the title Renewable Energies. So the question is, can we produce electricity with wind energy? Yes, of course, by producing a current by our clean house.
Here, as you can see, we built a home with cardboard. Just near there is air farm connected to lamp by wire. Our experiment is to make the fan spin to produce an electric current.
To make the fan spin, we will use hair dryer. We lit it and direct it towards side. And by turning it, the DC motor stuck to it will produce electricity. Now you can notice the lighting of the lamp.
Here we are sure that the experiment was successful, but in this video and this project we wanted to show you the simplest option for exploiting renewable energies
And avoiding pollution. Production of electricity is very easy. Why do we not use it? Think about it.
It's not expensive and it preserves our future life and the future of our families.
I wish that our project was useful for you. We did our best to satisfy you.